could you have done all but obey? My trust shattered from all who've betrayed. My life spent now just guarding the truth. Wounds fade not, but my bloodlust is soothed. Their great mistakes and blood now repay.